Hi there, I am Musa. This is Musa Analytics. You are all welcome to once again to begin our series, getting started with Microsoft Excel. In our previous videos, we talked about functions and formulas, basic functions and formulas. So in this video, we're going to talk about basic filtering and sorting of data in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly get started. Let's take, for instance, you have a list of texts, or let's say names of people that you would like to sort. That you would like to sort. Let's say, for instance, let's say we have a name like Musa, we have Esther, we have Jada, we have Sunday, we have Kefas, we have this is Stanley, and this is David, Yamu, let's say Susanna, let's say Joseph. I say Joseph, right? Okay. So what you need to do is you highlight this column that is carrying the text. After highlighting it, you right click on it. You see a list of commands. You click on the sort command. Then what you can choose to sort it in alphabetical order, that's A to Z, or in descending order, that's Z to A. So let's sort it in alphabetical order, A to Z. You see, Kefas happens to be on the top while Susanna on the bottom. So let's say, for instance, we want to sort it back to descending order. You right click on it, just like the previous one. Click on the sort, then click on what sort from what Z to A. So Susanna is at the top while Kefas is at the bottom. Okay, let's say we have a list of numbers. Let's say 98, 78, 56, 40, 23, 89, 90, 45, 23, 12. You also right click on this list of numbers. You highlight it. You highlight this list of numbers, right click on it, come to sort. You can choose to sort it as well, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Let's say in this case, we want to sort it smallest to largest. You click on it. Now you have what? Your list of numbers are being sorted smallest what to largest in smallest to largest order. So if you want to sort it back largest to smallest, you still right click on it. After highlighting it, you come to sort. Here you see what you see, sort largest to smallest, then you click on it. So your numbers are now what sorted, in descending order, right? Okay. Let's say, for instance, again, let's say these numbers are in horizontal form. Let's say these numbers are in horizontal form as opposed to this vertical form, right? And you want to sort it out. Let's transpose this. Transpose, okay. So, and you want to sort it out. What you may need to do is let's change this to 90 and this to 98. What you may need to do is let's say, for instance, you highlight it. You highlight the numbers, then you right click on it, you click on sort, and you click on smallest to largest. If you click on it, you will see that nothing will happen. You see, nothing happens. You right click on it again, come to sort from largest to smallest, nothing happens. because what your data is in horizontal form as opposed to this what vertical form. So what you need to do is after you right click on it, after you highlighted it and right click on it, you come to sort, come to what down here you will see what a custom sort. You click on this custom sort, you come to this option, click on it. Under the orientation, you click on sort left to right, then click on OK. Under the row, you what? Click on this drop down, you see row 3. You click on row 3 because your data is actually what in row 3, right? So you click on row 3. Sort on, click on cell values, the order, let's say you want it to be what from smallest to largest. You click on smallest to largest, click on OK. You see your data has been what sorted from what smallest to largest in what ascending order. Okay, let's say for instance this the list of names. Let's say these are first name and we still have another list of names that are carrying and we have also have a list of name with last name in it. Let's say Susanna, let's say Sunday, let's say Amos. Stanley, let's say Sunday. Musa, let's say Yusuf. Mariam, let's say Edward. Joseph, let's say John. Jada, let's say Dauda. Esther, let's say Abba. David, let's say Jethro. Kepas, let's say Andrews. And so you may want to sort this first name, but take a look at what will happen. You highlight it, you right click on it. If you come to this command sort and you click on A to Z, a pop-up dialog box will appear. Now Excel is warning you that it found data next to your selection. There is a data next to your selection. Since you have not selected the data, it will not be sorted. So what do you want to do now? Do you want to expand the selection to cover up the last name, or you want to continue with the current selection? If you click on you want to continue with the current selection, the first name is going to be sorted and the last name is going to remain as it is, of which is going towards create your data because okay, Jada is carrying out Dauda, her second name is Dauda. So after sorting it out, Excel will give it, she might end up having a different last name, of which is very bad. So this is it. What you need to do is, okay, let's try it out. Expand it, continue with the correct selection and check. Stanley is carrying out Stanley Sunday. Sort. You see, now Stanley is giving a last name Abba. Jada that is having a last name Dauda was is being given what that was having a last name Dauda was is now being given Yusuf as her last name, which is very bad. So let's undo this. So in this situation, when you highlight this text, you right click on it, you come to sort and you click on either A to Z or Z to A depending on what you want to do, either in ascending or descending order. Let's say A to Z, that's alphabetical order. You click on it. As Excel warned you, what you need to do is what? Leave it at you click on expand the selection so that it's going to cover up this the first name and the last name, and including the first name and the last name. Then you click on what sort. You see, Excel has sorted it now in alphabetical order, including what they are everybody now carrying out their appropriate last name, right? So I think with this we've come to the end of sorting. So let's move to filtering. Let's say for instance now you have let's take an example. You have let's say a list of fruits. Let's say we have grape, we have banana, we have strawberry. Let's say we have watermelon. Let's say we have sweet melon. Let's say we have sweet melon. Let's say we have mango. Let's say we have mango. Let's say we have carrots. Let's say we have carrots. Let's say we have another. Let's say for instance we have another column carrying out the quantity. Let's say grape. We have like 80 of grape, 56 of bananas, 34 of strawberries, 23 of watermelon, 89 of sweet melon, 67 of mangoes, and let's say 45 of carrots. Good. So let's say we want to filter out only. Let's say we want to filter out watermelon. We want to filter out, let's say, banana and strawberry. So you right click on this cell, you right click on the column that is carrying out the what you want to filter out. So you right click on it, come to filter by selected values. Then you click on this funnel here at the right side of the cell, at the right side of the cell. So okay, sorry please. Let's uh, let's give it a title. Let's say the title is, let's say, fruit. Let's give it a title, column title. Let's say fruit. This is fruit, and this is, let's say, quantity. So it will make more sense, right? Okay, you right click on this column. Hmm? Then you highlight this column, right click on it, come to filter by selected values, right? So you see this funnel icon at the right of the cell that is carrying out the title of that column. You click on this drop down arrow. Here now you see what, select all. You can choose to select all. You can choose to select only the text or only the fruit that you want to filter out. Let's say in this situation we want to filter out banana and carrot. You click on banana and carrot. Then Excel is going to help you what, filter it out. You see, it only filter out banana and carrots. In a situation whereby you want to just filter out, let's say strawberry and mangoes. Strawberry and mangoes. You click on it. Now you have what, strawberry and mango, right? Strawberry and mango. That's it. Okay. Let's say for instance now. Okay. Let's put it. Let's clear out this filter. If you want to clear out this filter, you come here. You come to this drop down. You see clear filter from fruit. Clear filter. Clear filter. Or you come to this data. Click on this filter. And this filter, the filter has been cleared out. Let's make this. Let's put this in a table and see what will happen. Click on anywhere within this data range. Control T. Click on your Control T and select my table as a header. Let's put it in a table and see how it works. And click on OK. So now your data range now is in it. It has been converted to a table. So already on these column headers, that's the fruit and the quantity, you see a drop down. So you can use that to filter out your data as well. So let's say we want to filter out only the fruit that are carrying out melon. Only fruits carrying out melon, that contains melon. So you click on this drop down arrow. You click on this text filter. Then here you see a lot of commands. Then you click on contains. Then you click on melon. You type in melon. You see what, show us where fruit contains. Then you click on melon. Click on OK. So now you see Excel has now filtered out only the fruits that are containing what, melon in it. Only the fruits that are containing melon in it. So you can right click on it again and you can choose to clear out what filter. So one thing again, let's say for instance you want to filter out, you want only the fruits that are containing O, like carrot, mango, melon. You know, you see strawberry doesn't have O, banana doesn't have, grape doesn't have. So you want only the fruit containing O, you can right click on this drop down arrow, come to text filter, contains, let's say O. It contains O. You click on O and click on OK. So we have watermelon, sweet melon, all these fruits are what contains O. Then let's say if you want to further filter out only the fruits that are greater than 60. You see, watermelon is less than 60. So definitely you are going to watermelon is not going to be part of your result. So you click on this, come to quantity, you see this drop down arrow, click on it, right? Click on this drop down arrow, come here, number filter, then click on number filter, come to greater than let's say 60. You want only the column, the quantity column that is containing what? The quantity that is what? Greater than 60. You click on OK. You see, it only shows you what? Only the quantity that are greater than 60. That's watermelon and mango. So you filter out only the quantity containing O, then you further filter it out to what? Only those quantities that are greater than what? 60. So that's basically uh, you can choose to what to clear these filters by coming to this data. After you click on this thing, you can click on filter. You have cleared it out. So this is it. So we talked about sorting, then we moved to what filtering. That's the basic sorting and filtering in what Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about how to working with tables, how to work with tables in Excel, how to work with tables in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.